And here's what I hear. So when I say, hey, email's really hurting your service management, would you consider, or, do you have, what are your self-service options? And this is what I hear from people. Our end users don't want to use self-service. We want to white glove everything. They want high touch. I've heard it all. And I think early on I would have like some decorum and I would be like, oh, okay, and I'd hear you out. Now I'm like, and here's why. Okay, so I'm going to show you a real report from a group that did not have self-service in place. Okay, so a lot of call volume, but about 40% of what they're doing is email volume. Okay, so this is not a call. This is someone just sending you a message in a bottle. Okay, it could be, hey, where's my ticket at? Hey, I need help, whatever it is. But they're 40% of what they're doing is email. And email is just the worst. And we're going to talk about that in more in a minute. But this is where I want to dispel the myth that self-service is not good. And that is really that we all use self-service now. And this has been accelerated and heightened by the pandemic, but we all use self-service on a regular basis. And I don't think we feel not served. And it can take many forms.
Right.
So really do not think of self-service as you telling your end users, like, do it yourself. We don't want to help you. We don't want to talk to you. It means let's make this fast and easy for you
Right.
so you can do your stuff and get on with your day. If we can make it fast and easy for our end users, like they will use it. And I just want to continue to iterate that email, it maybe feels fast and easy, and everyone already has email, right? They can use it, they can email the help
Just
desk.
start.
But every time you look at a pile of email, so if you're doing service delivery management, it's like a pile of mystery meat. It's just an email could be it could be anything. It could be someone checking on a ticket status. It could be someone needing help. And like, I think we've all probably seen the urgent all caps, like, urgent help me, it could be someone wants new software or a hiring manager saying like, we're hiring 5 new interns next week, we need accounts and all this stuff. It's email could be anything, and it's a really bad dialogue. So we have to go and spend all of our precious time, strategic time, tracking down all that information.
Right.
So like I said, a lot of people think of email as this like we have to offer email. I'm telling you, it takes so much time
Back and forth.
to get what you need to start work. And I want you to consider the best forms of support interactions are dialogues. Okay, so like conversational. So a call, great dialogue, saying who you are, what you need. I'm asking you the questions, and we can get right to work. Chat, another, of course, kind of conversational or dialogue. And then self-service, hear me out, still a dialogue. So they're filling out a form, and each variable is like a question we're asking them.
Yep.
We need the information. They give us all the information. Boom, we get right to work. So email just does not scale that way. If you think like, what? We have so much that we need to be doing, and we can't get any of it done. I guarantee you a lot of that time is lost to email.